Okay guys, I'm super excited because today we are going to be unboxing the Valla Surfer collection. A few of them got moved around a little bit. Here we have our display card. And then these are all of our colors. So this comes with 7 colors in total. You have 6 blues. And then what makes this collection unique is their sand color. Instead of just being a plain tan, it has some like kind of glitter speckles in it to make it look more like real sand. You'll be able to see that more when we get into swatching. Okay, today we are going to be doing our swatches for the Valla Surfer collection. Their little swatch card, which does come with the kit in this larger box here, along with the 7 colors in the collection. And so we're just going to go right in order of the card here. We're going to start with the sandy color here, which is GT01. The next color we are going to be swatching is VS15, and that is the next color on the swatch card. The sand color is the only GT, all the other ones are going to be VS. And then the next color is going to be VS16. And then it'll be VS17. And then we have VS18. we have VS 19. And lastly, we have VS 20. And so this starts with the sand, the GT01, and then we just go down from 15 to 20 down here. Be sure to check out my next video. We will be unboxing and swatching the Valla Hollow Shell collection next. So thanks for watching. I'll see you then.